am Andrea.
And together we are
The Wedding Women. So happy to be here today,
Andrea's
just
favorite.
like always.
Yes.
It's my favorite, yes.
So today we're talking about accessories.
That's right. And one of the ways you can accessorize with your bridal gown is with a lovely veil. This is a beautiful veil. It's from Beloved by Casablanca. It has a lot of different textures in the lace, so if you have a dress that is a little more simple, that's one way to really give your dress a lot of drama on the walkway up to your
Just
final.
like in the royal wedding.
That's right.
Her dress
Yes.
was very simple, but her veil had lots of embellishments.
Very long. It doesn't have to be that long because you don't have like the whole, it doesn't have to be that long. You still get a lot of drama for, and a really nice effect for half the length and width. But you could have it that long. We could make it that long if you want
That's
to.
right.
If you should
This
feel so
company
royal.
will do that. They will make it longer if you are going to go down that royal walkway.
It's true. It's true, they will.
But
So-
this is a cathedral veil. So cathedral, this is a standard cathedral length. And
if you had a head, it would go right to here.
yes.
There you go.
So it can add a little extra length to your dress, and it can add some embellishment as well.
Yes, it can.
Now we have this next veil to accessorize.
Once again, if you had a head, you'd be up taller right there.
This
So-
next one is a calf length.
It is beautiful. It has a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of detail in the lace, and it still gives you a lovely effect without having the length of the cathedral.
Another one of our Casablanca veils.
Yes, it's very beautiful.
Looks gorgeous, doesn't it? Okay.
Sorry, Kathy. I'm like,
So there's lots of other accessories you can do to a dress besides a veil.
you can do a belt, which is really cute. We have this one that we like a lot because it's translucent, meaning it blends right into the dress. Now, we won't tie it on with a ribbon. It'll actually be sewn onto your dress for your
Right.
special day, so there'll be no bow across the back.
But the only way we can try it on while you're here is we have to tie it.
But a simple belt really accessorizes the dress, brings a little bit of focus to the waistline, shows off your tiny waist, and it is lovely. Then we have our lovely jewelry that we sell at
You
Ann's
can
Classic
always add
Affairs.
a necklace. This has a little drop.
It does, and
Ooh.
behind door number 2,
Yes, we have a matching bracelet and earrings.
yes, so you can be all accessorized.
Okay, we'll do our QVC moment.
It's lovely. Thank you, Carla.
Yes.
It's beautiful. Oh, we also have
Ooh.
more accessories. We do.
We
We
do.
have lots.
Let's not forget the ever-loving tiara.
That's right.
The-
For your royal moment.
Yes.
You too can have a tiara, just like Megan. It's not my favorite. It's Carla's favorite. Carla is the
That's
queen
the
of
tiara.
everything, so she should always have her
I
tiara.
am the queen of everything.
Yes, she should.
Yes.
So-
it's in print.
So we're gonna bring you over to our accessories, right? Are we ready to go over there? Yes.
Sure.
Are
Okay.
you gonna be?
Lots more accessories. So here, these are all hair accessories you can put in. We've got, they go right in. You can put them on the side. You can put them on the back by your veil, wherever you'd like. We've got things like that, all kinds of glitter, everything that glitters. We've got bracelets, headbands. Oh, our girls love this headband. It's really nice because you can put the headband on, and then after the wedding, you take the veil off if you don't want to wear the veil, especially if it's a cathedral veil, and then you still have something pretty in your hair. We have all kinds of necklaces. We have earrings, a little drop. We have more studs. Oops. Anyway, it was pretty. We have chunky, we have less chunky. We've got this necklace here. Looks really pretty. Twice as long in the back. It's a back necklace, so it hangs down the back for those really low back dresses. Some come in sets, some don't. That's it.
Hi.
Okay.
We're back.
Yes, we are. We have more accessories, sort of.
We do. We have lovely toasting glasses. These are really beautiful. I don't know if you can see the detail, but they have little crystal and cut work in there. They are so amazing. They're nice and heavy, but not too heavy. They're really well done. We also have, for the bride and groom when they're cutting the cake, we have the cake knife and the cake server, which is also embedded with crystals. Very lovely. Very, very pretty. And Carla, what else do we have?
So we have these auras. I can't roll my R's, sorry.
They're ring boxes.
They are ring boxes, or also in some ceremonies, the brides have these, and the groom, there's 13. The groom gives the bride 12, one for every month that he'll take care of her the first year, and the 13th is for eternity. Kind of nice, huh? So we have,
Very nice.
we have different shapes. This one has crystals and it's square. We have the heart,
which is lovely.
Mm-hmm.
We also have a very lovely Cinderella cake topper, and we also have garters, which Marsha, our custom garterization lady, is that how you say it?
Yes.
She will personalize a garter for you. So you just have to come and see us. We'll match your dress with it. She's amazing, does amazing work. And I think that's about it, don't you think?
We've got you covered on everything you need.
We do. Okay, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.